Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Timemore Whirly 01S represents a specific shift in how coffee enthusiasts approach their daily ritual, particularly those who find themselves moving between a home kitchen and various travel environments. This device is an electric Conical Burr grinder designed to bridge the gap between the heavy, stationary machines found on cafe counters and the manual hand grinders often preferred by backpackers. At its core, it is a tool built for precision and convenience, aiming to provide a uniform grind size without the physical effort of manual cranking. It occupies a unique space in the market, offering a motorized solution that remains small enough to fit into a carry-on bag or a crowded kitchen cabinet. By focusing on a compact form factor while maintaining the mechanical integrity of a Burr system, this model attempts to solve the common problem of sacrificing coffee quality for the sake of portability. The build and design of the Whirly 01S emphasize a minimalist aesthetic combined with functional durability. It features a sleek black finish that feels understated and professional, fitting easily into modern interior designs. The exterior is typically constructed from high-quality materials that provide a solid weight in the hand, suggesting a level of sturdiness necessary for travel. One of the most notable design choices is the vertical orientation, which keeps the footprint small. The internal components are centered around a set of stainless steel conical burrs. Unlike flat burrs found in larger industrial machines, these conical burrs are designed to handle heat efficiently and produce a specific particle distribution that many find ideal for manual brewing methods. The adjustment mechanism is integrated into the body, allowing for a streamlined look without protruding knobs or levers. It also incorporates a rechargeable battery system, which removes the need for a constant tether to a wall outlet, further enhancing its identity as a truly portable device. When examining how the grinder performs, the 30 available settings are the primary focus. These settings allow for a significant range of adjustment, covering everything from the fine requirements of a mocha pot to the much coarser needs of a French press or cold brew. This level of granularity is important because the flavor of coffee is heavily dependent on the surface area of the grounds. By offering 30 distinct steps, the grinder gives users the ability to fine-tune their extraction and repeat successful results consistently. The electric motor is calibrated to spin at a speed that minimizes heat friction, which is vital for preserving the delicate aromatic oils within the coffee beans. Furthermore, the auto-stop feature adds a layer of modern convenience. This system uses sensors to detect when the grinding process is complete, automatically shutting down the motor once the hopper is empty. This prevents the motor from running unnecessarily, which saves battery life and reduces wear on the internal gears over time. The performance is characterized by a balance of torque and speed, ensuring that even harder, light-roasted beans are processed without the motor stalling or the grind size becoming inconsistent. The practical implications of this performance matter because they directly impact the quality of the final beverage. In a portable context, many users are used to the inconsistency of blade grinders or the physical strain of manual units. The Whirly 01S removes these barriers. The uniformity of the grind means that water flows through the coffee bed evenly, preventing the bitter over extraction or sour under extraction that occurs when particle sizes vary wildly. For someone brewing in a hotel room or at a campsite, having this level of professional-grade consistency can significantly elevate the experience. The quiet operation of the motor is another performance factor worth noting. It is designed to be less intrusive than many high-speed household grinders, making it more suitable for early mornings in shared living spaces or quiet outdoor settings. This specific grinder is best suited for a few distinct types of coffee drinkers. First, it appeals to the frequent traveler who refuses to compromise on their morning cup. Whether for business trips or outdoor adventures, the compact size and battery-powered operation make it a reliable companion. Second, it serves as an excellent entry point for those moving from pre-ground coffee or blade grinders into the world of specialty brewing. Because it is electric, it removes the intimidation factor and physical work associated with manual burr grinders, yet it provides the same high-quality results. It is also an ideal choice for individuals with limited counter space, such as those living in studio apartments or using it in an office break room. The approximately $169 price point positions it as a mid-range investment, making it accessible to those who are serious about their coffee but perhaps not ready to spend several $100s on a full-sized commercial-grade home setup. In a broader sense, the Whirly 01S is designed for the person who values the intersection of technology and traditional craft. It acknowledges that while the physics of grinding coffee hasn't changed much, the way we live our lives has become more mobile and fast-paced. By automating the most labor-intensive part of the brewing process while keeping the machine small and precise, it caters to a modern lifestyle without losing sight of the technical requirements of a good extraction. To offer a balanced closing thought, it is important to consider both the strengths and the inherent limitations of a device like this. On one hand, the portability and the 30-step adjustment system offer a level of versatility that is hard to find in other electric models at this size. The build quality and the inclusion of an auto-stop feature suggest a thoughtful design aimed at longevity and ease of use. On the other hand, a portable electric grinder will naturally have a smaller capacity than a dedicated countertop unit, meaning it might not be the best choice for those who regularly brew large carafes for several people at once. Additionally, while 30 settings are ample for most manual brewing, those looking for the extreme precision required for high-end espresso might find themselves wanting even more micro-adjustments. At a price of around $170 at the time of writing, it represents a significant but calculated investment. Ultimately, for the user who prioritizes a mix of mobility, ease of use, and grind consistency, this grinder stands as a very capable and reliable tool that successfully brings professional results into a much more flexible and compact format. It simplifies the path to a better cup of coffee, regardless of where that cup is being brewed. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.